Hello everyone, and here is a quick tutorial for the variations I played in Georgia My Mind. I had a few requests. I released a single last month with me playing Georgia My Mind, and I played it just like the tablature, the lesson you already have, more or less. But I also played a couple of variations. So here is a quick tutorial to show you how I played those variations. So one variation is for this part, that part, right? So I took that melody and moved it up an octave. So that goes like this. Back to the theme. So after that F sharp minor and B7, very slowly goes like this. I'm doing a F sharp B7, and then I'm moving to that D minor triad here. Harmonic, 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 harmonic. And then that's an A, right? Bass, A again. Then the second time, very similar, harmonic, and then I land on that D note, and that's my G triad here. And that's my A triad. Then here now you need to play the bass first, and then you land on that B7. Bass first, remember that. G. And now for that F sharp major 7. So we are not playing this like before, but we just played those two notes, those F sharps. And then you pinch, and that's a B minor 7. And back to E and A minor. And that's easy, right? Okay, and then we have another little variation for the last time through. I go like this. So let me play that slowly. wanna know something similar? And so. So I'm playing, and then a little variation here, double stops, something like that. Doesn't really matter, it's just a little run over the G chord. Now, careful here, you want to do that with your pinky, but we are holding the B7, so that's a little tricky. All right. Now we move up and play a little floating run. Okay. Then we go to the C sharp diminished. Another variation here. You see that? So we don't go like that, but we go and then. I think I play G and I hammered I played the G string and I hammered that G note with my middle finger. I think I do something like that. So let me do it one more time, going from pinky, hammer-ons. Play a lot of hammer-ons here. Depends, but sometimes I do all hammer-ons, like that. You see? All right. So those are the variations I played in Georgia on My Mind, and have fun with these variations. Bye bye.